Hi everyone! On today's video, I wanted to bring this look I created a couple of weeks before the quarantine started, and I really want you guys to watch the video. This video was planned to be released on summer, but since our summer is pretty much canceled, I still want you guys to watch it. I used for this video this beautiful palette by Natasha Denona, the Sunrise Palette. And as you can see, this palette has very beautiful warm tones that you can use during summer or fall. And the look I created is a very classical look. So you can do it using this palette too if you have it at home. And I hope you like it. And without any further ado, let's get started. My beautiful model today is my best friend Gior. I'm going to start prepping her skin using Honest Beauty Vitamin C Radiance Serum. This will help the skin get moist for makeup. After that, I'm using Honest Beauty DePuff Eye Gel to refresh the under eye area. Now, I'm using Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock Eye Primer. Eye primers help the eyeshadow last longer. I'm setting the eye primer using Mercier's translucent powder. I recommend this step if you have oily eyelids so your eyeshadow doesn't separate. And with Natasha Denona's Sunrise Palette, I'm taking the shade Morning and applying it as a transition color. Applying it mainly on the top of the crease. Taking the shade Jasper, I applied it in the inner part of the crease, forming a halo eye. I wanted to create more of a sunset type of transition, so I added the shade Carnelian to the outer V of the eyes. To give a dimension, I applied the shade Glory, and this gave me even more the illusion of a sunset. I'm applying the shade Azalea with a flat brush, and I'm going back and forth with my fingers because I want full payoff of this shade. it to the inner corner of the eyes with the shade Agate to bring more light to the eyes. I wanted to add a thin cat eye, so I'm using Honest Beauty liquid liner to do it. Since I didn't want the liner to be the main focus, I took the shade Clove and I smoked it out. Moving to her skin, I'm correcting her under eyes using MAC Cosmetics Studio Fit's Conceal and Correct palette. I started adding a little bit of orange and then moving to a concealer matching her skin tone. For foundation, I decided to use Dior Backstage foundation. I love it because it gives me a beautiful and fresh dewy look. For bronzer, I'm using Honest Beauty Everything Cream Foundation in the shade Almond. I like to use cream foundations as bronzers because it doesn't give me a fake tan look. To finish the eye look, I'm smoking the bottom lid starting with the shade Clove. Then I took the shade Jasper and did the same thing. With a fluffy brush, I took the shade Cornelian to blend it all out. I love her thin brows because they're very 90s looking, so I decided to keep them like that. You can do them thicker if you want to. For this, I decided to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil. blush, I'm using Hourglass Ethereal Glow. The highlighter that I'm using is Bobbi Brown's Shimmer Brick Highlighter in the shade Rose. This is to complement the rosy color of the blush. I'm applying lip balm and then moving to Kevyn Aucoin's Unforgettable Lip Definer in the shade Minimal. As lip color, I'm using Bite Beauty Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Lychee. It's a beautiful pinky nude. As mascara, I'm using Lancome Hypnose Waterproof Mascara, and I apply it to the top and bottom lashes. And this is the final look, a beautiful sunset inspired look. I hope you like the look, and if you have any other questions, comments, or if you want me to do another look using this beautiful palette, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, share it with your friends, and I see you next time. Bye bye.
Yo.